This is at the Hampton Inn in Lincoln, Illinois. And we're going to take a room tour tonight in room 103. So this is dedicated to TJ Elevator fan. So I hope you enjoyed it. So here we go. So you come in. You have your luggage or grips or backpacks. And that door goes into the closet. And that door goes into the bathroom, which we'll show you and will be later. This right here is your bed. Very, very nice for bed. The pillows, the blanket is very, very nice. The pillow is very, very nice. And we have your nightstand with your lamp, with the alarm clock, your telephone, with the good book and the phone book. And over here we have the flat screen TV. And to the right, we have your refrigerator and freezer. And we have your microwave safe. Very, very clean. So we have your TV with your remote. We have another desk with your desk with your computer, my computer, my laptop, and over here we have your mirror. Hello. Over here we have your air conditioning unit. It's made by Amana. 72 degrees. Too high, too cold, too heat. And here's your view at the city of Lincoln. In the state of Illinois, is just similar to the one in the same as Nebraska. For that's where we're living here in the state of Nebraska. All right, let's go check it. Let's check the closet. With your center hotel closet, with your iron board, with your iron, with your hangers. All right, let's close this up. Now let's go check out the bathroom. This right here is the center hotel bathroom. With we have your sink, your mirror. Hello. The center hotel sink. Hot, cold. Underneath the sink, the pipes. They're very, very, very clean. Here's a toilet. Here's the flushing. Here's the flushing. Nice button for flush. Very nice for flush. Very, 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 very clean. And over here, with your bathtub, with your shower head. Hot, cold. Oh, very nice little looking for a shower head. Cold, hot. All right. close this up. Alright, let's take one more look at the room. So, TJ, what do you think of this hotel room? It's pretty darn. So we're going to go check out TJ's channel. Go to tjelevatorfan.com. One in North Carolina at the Hampton Inn on Tunnel Road. In Asheville, North Carolina at the famous hotel where Adria Kuhn, a famous property. Back in 2009. With so that being said, thank you for watching, and that is all.